Hi guys, my name is Joey. Welcome to another video. I made this game called Parrot Dodge. It's made on Scratch. And as you probably guessed, you have to dodge parrots. So, you just gotta keep doing that over and over again. You can get a bunch of score. And so basically, when the parrots touch, they teleport away from each other, thus giving you score when they touch. So, yeah, reverted back to the title screen. So, I love it when the things get in the way of the game over. It just makes it look really cool. So, it's still in the middle of Parrot Dodge. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you later. Bye.